Our legend says that 20,000 years ago, what we know as Europe was covered under the ice blanket. Life was only possible in lands of Celtia, in lands of Galicia, the beginning of Atlantic culture. 10,000 years later, the desire of the seas and the earth to create new life make them fight against the ice to conquer new territory. Atlantic culture colonizes 7 countries: Cornwall, Britain, Isle of Man, Galicia, Scotland, Ireland, and Wales. And so, the first civilization of Europe is born: the Celts. Throughout the mist of history, we can hear its sound. In the last millennium of ancient age, King Breogan and his descendants governed these immortal and legendary lands. One day, from the top of the Tower of Hercules, Eve glimpsed a green coast on the other side of the sea. Breogan's grandsons, Dun, Eramon, Everthin, and Armagin, set sail in 5 boats towards those distant coasts. On arrival, Armagin summons the 3 goddesses of Ireland to convince the enemy. Fotla, goddess of trees; Bamba, goddess of knowledges; Air, goddess of waters. I, Armagin, grandson of Breogan, victorious in many battles, set my right foot in Ireland and chant this poem that gave me strength to survive. I am the wind in the sea. I am the waves in the ocean. I am the mighty wild boar. I am the spear that hurts the enemy. I am God Breogan.
Aquí para poderte enamorar con esta cerraza, esta viña dulce.
Years later, 3 goddesses travel to the homeland of the conquerors, each with her own precious stone. There they build the first dolmen in Galicia to venerate the deceased. But the evil spirit casts a conspiracy, and a curse will fall on them. To undo the spell, the goddess need the heart of Celtic prince to discover the purity of their souls. It's night time in the battle, and women in Celtia are washing the sheets, the armors, the bloody clothes with the stains that were never cleaned, and that announced the death of Celtic warriors in the Battle of Mount Medullio. It's a metaphor of battles against Roman troops.
Queda esta,
Forse dei caminos llegan a Ortigueira, forse dei caminos sono stelle aquí. Natal,
mira Delta,
¿quieres bailar?
poco, mira Delta.
All these men and women died fighting for their freedom. The ancestral gods recognize their dignity and their bravery. Because of this goddess air, with the pure waters of river, gives them back their lives.
Nel campo derecho, al libre honrada solta, heroico mar.
May all present herein be witness to the union between Goddess Air and Prince Brandal. May the Celtic gods inspire a shared life. I join you, here and now, in body and soul. May it be so. May it be so.
¡Por la nos honra! ¡Por la nos conoce!